Raise Japanese 101, Lesson 2, I. I is the second syllable, and here are the orders to write them. I told you on the last video that the top row of both hiragana and katakana are the 5 vowels that exist in Japanese. As you can guess, the columns are the consonants. More about them on later videos. Some of you may have noticed that I had already shown you several different meanings of I, and I'm going to talk about them on this lesson. I means stomach. Among the 6 examples that I will tell, this is the only clearly independent one-syllable word. I ga itai means stomach hurts. I is stomach. Ga is a particle. Itai means hurts. As with other 5, I is attached to other words and syllables. Isan means stomach acid. San meaning acid. So isan literally means stomach acid. Ikamera means gastroscopy. I didn't know this English word. And ikamera literally means stomach camera, which is what it is. I means rank or status, as I talked about it on the first lesson. However, I is not used independently. Jun'i means ranking, with jun meaning order. So jun'i literally means order rank. Chi means status or social position, with chi meaning ground or land. So chi literally means ground rank. I, the same kanji, also means place, as ichi means location or position, with chi meaning put or set. So ichi literally means place put. By coincidence, the usage of rank and place resembles that of English. Ichi means first place, first rank. Ni means second place, second rank. San'i means third place, third rank, and on. Easy to comprehend. Ichi is 1, ni is 2, san is 3. By the way, in Japanese, how we count differs with different nouns or subjects. Ippiki is 1 dog or cat or insect. For counting relatively small animals with 4 legs, such as dogs, cats, and also insects. Ichiwa is 1 chicken or bird for counting animals with wings, such as chickens and birds. Itto is 1 cow or pig for counting relatively big animals, such as cows and pigs. This is the hard part of Japanese, though not the only. However, it is just the extension of the English expressions, such as a sheet of paper, a loaf of bread, a cup of coffee, a slice of ham. Only countless varieties in Japanese. I means well, the hole dug to pump up groundwater. However, when we say well in Japanese, it's ido, with to meaning door, so ido, literally well door, is well in Japanese. We don't use I in daily conversations anymore, since we use faucets to deliver water in modern days. But I is one of the most frequently seen kanji in Japanese surnames. I means medical. Isha means doctor. Sha means person or someone, so isha means medical person. 医療 means medical treatment, with 療 meaning exactly treatment. 意 means consciousness, but when we say consciousness, we say 意識, with 識 meaning to know or to distinguish. So 意識 literally means consciousness distinguished. 意味 means meaning, with 味 meaning taste. So 意味 literally means consciousness taste. 意見 means opinion, with 見 meaning see. So 意見 literally means consciousness seeing. 異 means different. 異変 means abnormality or sudden change, with 変 meaning change. So 異変 literally means different change. And here's an example of agglutinative or paste-on language. 変異 two kanji switch around means mutation or variation. So 変異 literally means change different. So far I've talked about a and i. Those two syllables put together, ai, means love. Ain't it nice? 愛してる means I love you, though neither subject nor object is spoken here. In Japanese, subjects and objects are very often abbreviated. You must be aware of the situation and understand what the subject and the object are at the exact moment of the conversation. So 愛してる could mean he loves you. 愛してる could mean I love music, depending on the context. Most of the time, the context is clear, but it is not rare for Japanese to ask, which is which, especially when a listener is not aware of the subject that is being talked about. There are also words like I and and both are well known in Japan, but I will omit them, because I would like to focus more on one syllable in this series, as I being an exception, but there probably will be other exceptions as I go on. I also have to talk about yoi, meaning good, because although yo is much later in the series, I just pronounced it yo-i, but 99% of the time it is pronounced i. Yoi is officially yoi, but it is pronounced i, even in the most official occasions. It may be obscure to you, but it is natural in Japan. We don't know why, though there are theories which has to do with the history of Japanese language. It is just one of countless exceptions that you must memorize and get used to. As for injections or feeling expression words, E means good. And that is the only example I can think of. So, this is it for this lesson. Raise Japanese 101, Lesson 2, E. Ciao.